Tiffany, and I'm the Hong Kong ambassador for the Lisa Pang International Program, Have You Eaten Rice Yet campaign. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Kara Ho from Taiwan. I am the Taiwan ambassador for the LPIP Have You Eaten Rice Yet campaign.
Hello, we are from Egypt. أكلت رز ولا لا؟
رز بالتاتشوات.
هل أكلت رز بقى؟
Hello, I am Abdurrahman. I am the Egypt ambassador for the Lisa Pang International Program. Have you eaten rice yet? Campaign. Nice to meet you.
I'm Hussein from Iraq. ما أكلت المن؟
هل أكلتم الرز بعد؟
ما أكلت المن؟
برنج خواردووە.
Hello, I'm Hussein. I'm from Iraq. And I'm the Iraqi ambassador to Lisa Pang International Programs Have You Eaten Rice campaign. Nice to meet you.
Greetings from Romania. I have a question for you. Ați mâncat orez deja?
Ați mâncat orez deja?
Ai mâncat orez până acum?
Ai mâncat orez deja?
Hello, I'm Stefan, the Romanian ambassador for the Lisa Pang International Program Have You Eaten Rice Yet campaign. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm James and I'm the British ambassador for the Lisa Pang International Program Have You Eaten Rice Yet campaign. Nice to meet you.